Hi, my name is Valerie, and today we're going to discuss the importance of the National Association of Education of Young Children, otherwise known as NAEYC, Health Standard Number 5. If you don't know much about NAEYC, NAEYC is a nonprofit organization that promotes high-quality learning through practice and research. The Health Standard Number 5 that I mentioned before includes 3 parts: promoting and protecting children's health and the control of infectious diseases, ensuring children's nutritional well-being, and finally, maintain a healthful environment. All 3 of these are important to know so that we as teachers can ensure that children are receiving the utmost quality of care. When children and teachers are following the NAEYC Health Standard Number 5, it can help create a healthy and safe learning environment for these children. The greatest thing about NAEYC standards is that they are universal. They are the foundation of expectations for all child care organizations. Having this foundation can ensure that everyone is trained to the standards needed to prevent the spread of illness, the preparation of good, safe sleeping arrangement, CPR, and first aid training, as well as the recording of medication that is given at their center. By following these, you're ensuring that safe practices are being practiced within the center. 2 actions that I could use to promote a health consistent with the NAEYC Standard Number 5 is through healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle can be practiced through teaching and practicing. A healthier lifestyle includes 2 sides. It includes the healthy food options and the importance of hand washing from one activity to the next. Both of these can be taught and practiced daily in the classroom. And both of these are important because they help encourage the health and nutritional environment that NAEYC Standard 5 states. Alright guys, thank you for listening.